Hi, I'm Steve Gordon. People call me the carpet repair guy, and if you were just searching the internet for carpet repair in the Austin area, well, you've come to the right place because that's exactly what we do. If you want to learn all about carpet repair, if you want to see videos, before and after pictures, basically anything you can ever want to know about carpet repair, you could look along the top of this website right underneath the banner and you'll see videos and pictures and everything you want about carpet stretching, carpet patching, Berber carpet repair. There's carpet to tile transitions, and on that side over there you'll see all different types of miscellaneous carpet repairs. If you just want to call me, please do, because we can help you when you call. I'm Steve Gordon, I'm the carpet repair guy, and oh, one more thing about the guarantee. We offer a 100% unconditional, unlimited, lifetime labor guarantee. What that means to you is that we stand behind our work forever. If you ever have any trouble at all with the quality of our labor, if a patch comes up, if a room starts to ripple again, for whatever reason, we back it up for the life of your carpet, which means that if your carpet's completely worn out, the guarantee's over. But up until that time, we back it up 100%. Again, I'm Steve Gordon. I'm the carpet repair guy. Call me, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye-bye.